Imagine you're traveling to a new country and need to manage your money on the go. Or maybe you're a freelancer who needs a way to get paid by clients from all over the world. What if there was a bank account that could make all of this easy? In this video, we're going to be talking about the benefits of Monese. Monese is a mobile-only bank that offers a range of features and benefits that make it a great choice for anyone who wants to manage their money on the go. Benefit 1. No monthly fees. One of the biggest benefits of Monese is that there are no monthly fees. This makes it a great option for people who are on a tight budget. Benefit 2. Free international transfers. With Monese, you can send and receive money internationally for free. This is a great benefit if you're traveling or doing business with people in other countries. Benefit 3. Easy to use. Monese is very easy to use. You can create an account in just a few minutes using your smartphone. Once you're set up, you can manage your money from anywhere in the world. Benefit 4. Multi-currency. Monese supports multiple currencies, so you can easily manage your money in different currencies. This is a great benefit if you're traveling or living abroad. Benefit 5. Customer service. Monese has excellent customer service. If you have any questions or problems, you can get help quickly and easily. Benefit 6. Affordable overdraft. Monese offers an affordable overdraft facility. This can be a great benefit if you need to borrow money in a pinch. Benefit 7. Travel insurance. Monese offers travel insurance as an add-on. This can be a great benefit if you're traveling abroad. Benefit 8. Cashback rewards. Monese offers cashback rewards on your everyday spending. This can help you save money on things like groceries, gas, and dining out. Benefit 9. Early access to your salary. With Monese, you can get early access to your salary up to 2 days before payday. This can be a great benefit if you're short on cash before payday. Benefit 10. Monese Business. Monese also offers a business account. This is a great option for small businesses and freelancers. Monese is a great bank for anyone who wants to manage their money on the go. With its no monthly fees, free international transfers, and easy-to-use app, Monese makes it easy to stay on top of your finances. If you're looking for a bank that can help you manage your money on the go, I highly recommend Monese. You can sign up for a free account today at https://www.whoism1.com. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. You can also use Monese to pay bills and top up your phone. Monese offers a range of different accounts to choose from, so you can find the perfect account for your needs. Monese is available in over 30 countries. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.